beautiful morning, guys. Having another beautiful morning. Like, look at that beautiful sunrise coming up. Beautiful, beautiful. Telling you guys, God creation is beautiful and wonderful. I look forward to it every morning because I don't usually get the opportunity to see this. So when I do, I appreciate it, guys. And I don't take it for granted, you know? I don't take it for granted. I have to share this with you guys so you can see this. Blessings, blessings, natural blessings. All right, guys, I will talk with y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful Tuesday and stay safe.